So we created the easiest way to remove backgrounds, both simple and complex, for some of those tricky pieces of artwork, especially those ChatGPT or AI artwork pieces that your customers are likely giving you. So first example here, you're going to go to Pro Transfers, and then in the upper right, let me show you here real fast. So if you go to protransfers.com, up here will be pre-flight. You'll just click pre-flight and launch pre-flight, and this will bring you right to this tool. From here, what we're going to do is I'm going to grab this image, drag and drop. So this would be more of the complex one. Again, busy backgrounds, landscapes, variety, shades. All I'm going to do is click BG remover here, and I'm going to remove background. Now, because it's complex, this might take 20, 30 seconds right here. But again, we're going to get the clearest background removal possible. Again, this most specific for those portraits, people, getting rid of those busy backgrounds. And here we got it. So you can even see it's pulling out those little pieces of hair. You can hit quick fix if you'd like. That's going to do some semi-transparent kind of screening, improve the edge quality, and maybe a little bit of a resolution upgrade. So you can hit quick fix. It'll run all those quick fixes. It'll tell you it might have one manual action you need to do. You can do it or not. You click OK, and then all you do is go download. And you've now got that updated picture right there, ready to upload to wherever you need to send it off to be print. Hopefully it's us. The other option here, let's just X out of this, is let's just say more of a standard background. So here's an image I created with ChatGPT for a buddy. We're making shirts. You can see here, I'm going to scroll down and change the background. It's still got the white background on it, like we are always seeing, even if you ask it to have a transparent background. So all I'm going to do here, and this is a little easier for some of these simpler, just pure color ones, you're going to go remove color, take the eyedropper over here, and I'm going to click the white. Now you'll see, because it's a little bit of a ChatGPT image, what we're going to do then is take this little slider and increase the tolerance for the amount of white that you're going to get. And you can kind of go back and forth and dial in as much as you need or want. And look at that, we got all the white removed. I'm going to put it back on a white background. Looks great. That might be all you need to do. Easy button here, download. You've now got that updated image, transparent background, ready to upload, order, press. Good to go. Hope that helps.